just taking a break. Just thought I might answer a question from one of my viewers, Craig. Just take my jacket off here. Who just asked me a really relevant question. Where do I get my inexhaustible supply of energy to finish these projects? Well, and the inspiration, I guess, is two really important things: inspiration and energy. When you see the finished video, you're seeing a project that's been edited, highly edited. I put a lot of work into the video editing. It's very tiring, a lot of the stuff I do. I'm not inexhaustible. Often, you know, one of the keys is I take my time, and I'm always thinking about the project. And I'm, you know, having worked in aviation, I guess for 30 years, that produces a thinking of creating high standards. I always try and make the job as best I can. So that's a really important thing, is a mindset, having the right mindset. Another really important thing that I guess is hard to teach, but it's valid for me, is I love what I do. When I'm into a project, when I'm making a project, like I'm making this bar right now, I'm making it because I love it before I've even started it. I love the idea of it, and I put my energy into it, and I'm becoming I've become part of it. It's sort of really hard one to explain, like I said, but that's, I guess, one of the emotions or one of the feelings is that I get really involved in my work. I love it. So there's other jobs there that, yeah, I'm not so much into. At the moment I'm working on a project that's going into a cafe or a bar area. It's going to be here in my workplace, a unique place. I love the idea, and that gives me the energy that I need to get in and do the best I can. I think that's really important. Other types of jobs, I just have a get it done, goal setting mind. I like to achieve goals. That's what I'm trying to say. I like hitting goals, so I say to myself, I need to get this done by the end of the day to this sort of standard. This is what I want, and I try and hit those as goals. So that's probably another way of looking at it as well. So if you've got distractions, I'm probably the most distracted person in the world. If you've got distractions, it becomes harder. So sometimes distractions are people, sometimes distractions are other desires. You've got to learn to manage those, I guess. Start a job, finish a job, so you can get on to the next thing as a reward. Anyway, I hope that answers the question. I might have rambled a bit, but it's a very important question. I hope you got something out of it. I'm pretty tired at the moment. I spent a whole day grinding and welding, so it's probably about 1:30. And I've got a big splinter on my hand. That hurts. Talk to you soon. Not bad.